This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Monica Burkholder. Beautiful Grand Prairie Villa available immediately. Open floor plan joins living room, dining room and kitchen. Formal dining room plus counter seating. Kitchen has an abundance of cupboards, pantry and stainless steel appliances. Master bath boasts a bath with walk-in shower, walk-in closet and linen closet. Second bedroom/den has view of grassy common area. Second bath has tub/shower combo. Airy screened-in porch faces common area with gazebo where neighbors meet and visit. Large 2-car garage. Virtual tour will be available soon. For more information, review the details below.